Today, I am reviewing the MSI Cyborg 14 gaming laptop. If at any time you'd like to explore this gaming laptop for yourself, be sure to check the link in the description. Let's start with the heart of this laptop, the processor. The MSI Cyborg 14 is equipped with the latest 13th Gen Intel Core i7-13620H processor. This is a 10-core, high-performance CPU designed for heavy multitasking and gaming. With its hybrid architecture combining performance and efficiency cores, it reaches turbo speeds that let you breeze through demanding applications, whether it's AAA games, video editing, or streaming while gaming. The processor's power really shines when paired with the massive 32GB of DDR4 RAM. This generous memory ensures you can keep multiple applications, tabs, and heavy software open without any lag or slowdowns. Storage is another strong point here, a lightning-fast 1TB SSD. This solid-state drive not only provides ample space for your games, files, and software, but also dramatically reduces load times. Whether launching games or booting up Windows 11 Home, the SSD gives you a seamless and quick experience, which is crucial for gamers and professionals alike. The display on the MSI Cyborg 14 is impressive for its size. Sporting a 14-inch WUXGA panel with a resolution of 1920 by 1200 pixels, it delivers a sharp, vibrant image with a 16:10 aspect ratio that gives you a bit more vertical screen space, great for productivity and immersive gaming. This IPS panel supports a 144 Hz refresh rate, which means the screen refreshes 144 times per second, providing ultra-smooth gameplay and buttery visuals with reduced motion blur. For color enthusiasts, it covers 100% of the sRGB color gamut, offering accurate and vivid colors that make a difference whether you're gaming or editing photos and videos. On the graphics side, this laptop doesn't disappoint. It's powered by the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4060, with 8GB of dedicated video memory. This GPU brings ray tracing capabilities and AI-enhanced graphics, allowing you to enjoy the latest games at high settings with smooth frame rates. Plus, the RTX 4060 is great for creative professionals who use GPU-accelerated software, boosting productivity beyond gaming. MSI has also packed this laptop with a good selection of ports, making it versatile for various peripherals. You get a USB-C 3.2 port, two USB-A 3.2 ports, an HDMI output for connecting external displays, an RJ45 Ethernet jack for stable wired internet connections, and a combo audio jack. The inclusion of the USB-C hub with authentication adds more connectivity options, which is useful when you want to expand your setup. The keyboard is backlit, which helps in low-light environments and adds a gaming aesthetic. The typing experience is comfortable and responsive, which is important for both gaming sessions and work. Additionally, the laptop features Bluetooth 5.2 for fast wireless connectivity and a 720p HD webcam suitable for streaming, meetings, or casual video calls. All these features come wrapped in a sleek, black chassis that's portable and stylish, perfect for gamers who need a powerful machine on the move. The combination of a powerful CPU, ample RAM, fast storage, and a sharp display in a compact 14-inch form factor makes this laptop an excellent choice for users who want performance without bulk. In summary, the MSI Cyborg 14 gaming laptop is a powerhouse in a compact package. It offers exceptional gaming performance with the Intel Core i7 13th Gen processor and RTX 4060 graphics, a smooth 144 Hz IPS display with accurate colors, and plenty of memory and storage for all your needs. The diverse connectivity options and premium features like a backlit keyboard and Windows 11 Home make it an ideal choice for gamers, streamers, and content creators who value portability and performance. If you're looking for a portable yet powerful gaming laptop that can handle everything from the latest games to demanding professional tasks, the MSI Cyborg 14 definitely deserves a spot on your shortlist.